At the Kildare Animal Foundation Open Day, a concerned member of the public alerted us to a pigeon that was tangled in fishing wire in a nearby tree in the town of Newbridge. So we left to see if we could help. Access to the tree meant fighting through quite a lot of thick brambles, and luckily I had some friends with me who could direct me through the brambles towards the tree.
Lads, just I want to get an idea where I am, so make some noise there.
Because it was the open day, I didn't have any of my equipment with me, which made this rescue all the more challenging.
Any other day, I would have my equipment. Okay, buddy. There he is. Okay, fishing wire.
One of the challenges of catching birds when they're in trees is that they typically are far out on flexible branches, and that means you can fall out of the tree or break the branches and fall. So at this point I realized he was out of reach, and I had to hold onto the trunk with my legs and reach out with both hands.
Watch your wing, come on. Help yourself here, watch your wing.
Then I could secure the fishing wire and bring him towards me.
Yeah. You're okay. No. I'm not out of the woods yet, not by a long way. Come here. Okay. Is he okay to fly if I release him? Yes. Okay, dudes, come on. Stay there. I wish I brought the knife with me. I need to bring him back, I think. How do I fucking protect you and get you out of here at the same time? I know. I don't want to hurt you. Don't fight. Please, don't fight me. I'm just trying to think of how I'm going to get the hell out of here with all the brambles with one hand. I have you, little man. Yeah. Okay. Oh man. Okay, pigeon. I know you feel like you're free enough.
Once he was safely in our carrier, we brought him back to the Wildlife Foundation, where Chris and Rosie took great care of him, electing here not to use gloves because it's very fine work that requires precision, and sometimes gloves can hinder that. You'll receive the best care that you can in KIF. Remember, if you like this video and the work we do, please subscribe. All the links are in the description, and your donations will save Irish wildlife. Thanks a lot.